What's up, y'all? Neil here. Welcome to Red Creek. We are at our takeout, dropping my truck off. About to hop in the truck with Cody and the others, bring the canoes to the put-in, and we're going to do a 10-mile float over the next 2 days. So we'll camp out tonight between our put-in and our takeout, and but we're just dropping my truck off, and we are headed out.
The grumman on this river is an unknown entity.
That's the aluminum?
Yeah, but this green one we know will float in like 4 inches of water. You unhook that right there?
Yeah. I told Cody, I was like, the canoe I'm going in only needs one paddle. for the other person. Yeah.
Look, you met Caleb. He we did Black Creek one day.
He didn't paddle one
He
time.
did paddle one time. Kyle sat in the back. Caleb is up front, and he's just turned around talking to Kyle the whole day.
So you're in the back watching him.
They're just like looking at each other. And Caleb just talking.
He's out there sipping beers. I'm sitting here paddling, running into shit because he's not telling me where shit is.
You didn't say anything to him? Like, hey man, you want to help?
I mean, he was... Oh yeah.
This is cold. Yeah, well, we need to go that for like straight through if we can. Bald eagle up ahead of us. The camera won't pick it up, but that's the bald eagle again. See it? It just turned with the creek that way.
I need somebody to come pick me up.
You're on your own, brother. We have no money invested in that fly you've got hung up.
I'm about to die.
No offense, I'm hoping you fall in.
The only thing we forgot to get were cans of volcanoes.
Oh, you forgot the peanuts, Cody?
Oh, he's about to take it down.
We didn't forget them. You can mine. I'm struggling and you're trying to have a conversation.
Dude, how could you forget the bowl of peanut?
If I don't do something quick, I'll be hung up again. I don't know how I'm gonna get out. The limb I'm on is 2. You're right.
How much is that fly?
It ain't that much, but I already lost a fly here. I don't want to lose 2 in the same spot.
Oh, I lost my little weight. Something. You look at that over there, though. Something kept hitting the surface. You see it?
Look at that.
Yeah, it's them wood ducks.
My gosh. Bring a shotgun out here.
What's crazy is how well they, I mean, of course we're talking and whatnot, but like I floated this creek, like just by myself making no noise, and they still, you'll never get any closer to them than that. I've never like snuck up on them. All right, y'all, we're 3 miles in. We've caught 1 bass, but we just floated by 2 large bass swimming up, so we're gonna see what we can do here. Here they are. I don't know if that's a bass or not. They're right here. There's 3 of them. They're all right there. There's 5 of them. I don't think that's bass. They're right in front of you. Right here, look. It's gonna be them carp. They're not gonna bite. Carp, freshwater mullet, whatever you call them. Alright, so we stopped in this little fishy spot just off the creek. What was that?
I thought that's where you cast. I was like, damn.
No, that was not me. That was this thing don't cast that far. Well, I was hoping that was a fish. Man, I don't know what that is. That's big. Well, it don't want anything to do with what I'm throwing.
We need to go past that debris on the other side.
I don't know where you're talking about exactly. See if they make this.
Slow us down with it. Yeah.
Good?
There's a bug got in there.
That was a little tight.
A little squeeze.
What you want to do, Kyle?
Say we try it.
We're gonna try it. You see, we're gonna go in and immediately cut hard left. I'm wondering if I can duck it this way. Ooh, that's pretty low, dude. Oh crap! Oh, did you get it?
Alright, up there. Bless you there.
Now we gotta get turned around. Let me help. Here, let me push off here. I think if we can clear this. You good?
Oh yeah, I'm good. We made it through. We were sideways.
Yeah. Whew, those are becoming more and more frequent. Look at that, gonna land, go right over top of us.
Wow.
Where'd that other one go? Oop. Oh, he's going back the other way. See him right in front of us? Go left.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Here, y'all, we are at the island. Got a little a little rougher the closer we got. But this is where we camping. Look at this, Kyle. I wonder what did that. You think hogs did it? People? Look at the tracks. Y'all leave me a comment and what you think did this. We're on an island, so wasn't like a, I don't know. I won't say a human didn't do it. It wasn't no vehicle. All right, y'all, we made it to the island. We're about 8.5 miles in. We've camped here before. I've done another video on it. You can go back and watch that one. But we're camping here again tonight. Hopefully, the fishing hasn't been that good today, but we're going to keep trying. It's 3:45, but we're just going to fish, hang out, and we got some food to cook, and we're just going to have a good time. I'm about to grab mine and go back to that spring down there where we did last time and climb up on that bank and see if I can
drop a line in and get something.
Yeah, because I mean it's already 4. It's going to be dark in an hour and a half. It's almost 3:45.
We need to get my camp set up.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk down there and see what I can do. All right, we're gonna go try to get in that spring right there in front of us. I'm gonna go through the woods, get past all that downfall. Caught fish in there before. Oh, this water's freezing. Good night. Some snake country up in here. I'd be in some trouble if I got bit back in here, because we are a long way from any road or any place to get help. I'm not seeing the fish in here, and it's pretty clear. Alright, well, I didn't bring tackle with me. I just broke my hook on that fish I just caught right there. I couldn't even tell what it was, but I'm pretty sure it was a catfish. So, gotta walk back to the camp, get a new hook. Something took it right there. He's still on it. Got him. What is that? Oh, a gar. We're definitely not eating them because he don't look like something that'd be good to eat. If y'all know what it is, let me know in the comments. Alright, what do I gotta do? Revive them here? Oh, you about got me. I have no idea what that is. I have no clue. No. He was slimy. It was the ugliest fish I ever saw. firewood ready. Y'all got y'all's camp set up? Oh, I found more of this where it looks like something's been rutting around in the dirt. All over on that creek over there.
What do you think it is?
I think it's hogs.
Hogs?
Yeah, like wild hogs. I don't know what else would do it.
Hogs?
So,
I'm trying to rig it up so that we only have to throw out one rain fly.
I think y'all will be good without a rain fly.
It's not supposed to rain at all.
No, I don't think so. Here.
Fish. Is that not a gar?
I don't think it's a gar. They have a longer snout.
That's a chain pickerel.
Is that what it is?
That's a pickerel.
Pickerel.
Yeah.
Are they good eating?
That's it's almost like a pike.
It was super slimy.
Did you keep it?
That's a
No.
chain pickerel. You caught that over there.
Yeah, I was scared to touch it, to be honest with you. I mean, it had teeth. It looked like it had teeth.
Yeah, it's a chain pickerel. I've never seen one caught in Mississippi.
All right, well, I guess that's what it is.
That's a pickerel. It's close to like a pike or a muskie.
Well, that is the fish I said. I was like, man, it was weird. I don't know if it was a bass or a catfish because it jumped out of the water. So, but it was this is what I hooked the first time and got off.
Crazy.
They setting up. Oh, all three of y'all are hanging, huh? Am I the only tent dweller here?
Only tent dweller.
I'm a tent dweller. All right, y'all. So I ran in a little dilemma. My tent pole is fractured. So thankfully I had just some duct tape wrapped around this lighter. And hopefully it's going to get me through the night. All right, we'll see how that does.
My two best fish. They're going right there. The whole time.
So my dry bag isn't so dry anymore.
Wow.
My bottom of my dry bag is soaking wet. The only thing so far that got wet was my sleeping pad. Like, thankfully this is dry.
It's like coming undone at the seams and stuff.
I guess. My tent and tent bag were wet because I had them on the bottom, but I did that for a reason.
Yeah. Man, I wish we would have I should have just taken the extra time, gone out of my way to get some boiled peanuts.
You should have.
Yeah, I was expecting boiled peanuts on this trip.
Next
Because
trip.
you texted me that we would have boiled peanuts.
I did.
You said, well, I'm going to bring boiled peanuts to snack on.
We can get some at Big Level.
Do they have any?
If they don't sell boiled
All
peanuts,
right, so
missing out
this
on an
is
opportunity.
our last time we went camping. So we took this trip a month ago, and so we boiled some peanuts, and when we were done, we saved the juice, like all like from the can. We poured it all in like one can, and then I got my burner going and a pot, and we dropped all the juice into my little pot on the burner and threw ramen in it.
Yeah.
And that was the best ramen
That'd be good.
ever.
Good morning, y'all. It's day 2. We slept good last night. The fishing yesterday wasn't what we were hoping for, but we had a good time anyway. We've been breaking down camp, and we're got a short float back to our takeout and go grab a couple of cheeseburgers, and we'll see you there. I think we'll push across here. Yep. We're in the deep spot now.
Oh, there we are.
Look at that drop. You know that's like quicksand right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we'll go up here. All right, y'all, we are here. We are at our destination. So we're gonna leave the canoes here, jump in my truck, all 4 of us. We're gonna get something to eat and then grab the other vehicles and come back and get all of our gear. We are starving. We've been talking about food all morning. All right, I got it. See if he's wearing one. We're here, y'all. How you doing? Thank you.
Then was it walleye or perch?
We should have ate that.
We should have.
They looked that up. Like,
I heard perch was some of the best fish to eat. Like white perch.
However,
what he just described sounds like tasty. Like that's the type of fish I would like.
however, they are very bony. So there you go.
Is there any pepper over there?
But
Thank you, sir.
that was making the rounds.
Couple cold beers. Couple cold beers. I don't endorse it.
All right, y'all, that'll do it for this one. We had a good time, great weather, great trip. Dang it, cut. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, that'll do it for this one. We had a good time, a great trip, and I can't talk. All right, guys, that'll do it for this one. We had a great trip, great weather. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.